What's up, traders? Julian here from JLuzTrading.com. CLVS is the trade of the day that we're going to be reporting. I put this out last night, Sunday, in a trade alert for our members. And there were a host of other stocks that we were looking at. CLVS was one of them. The key levels that I was talking about on a breakdown was 26.28. You can see that today this thing absolutely sold off, down almost 20% intraday. This was the breakdown that we were calling for on this stock. CLVS, you can see here 26.28 is the breakdown trade using puts. When I checked at this, or when I checked on this stock earlier this morning, probably about 45 minutes, 60 minutes into the market, the options on this stock were up 50% intraday. It was a very, very big move. I don't know what they were trading at into the close. But again, guys, just wanted to put this quick video out there for you guys on CLVS and show you what the community is trading and how big some of these intraday moves could be. Now, CLVS probably will see a really big bearish follow-through day. So we do have guys that are intraday trading this, and we do have guys that are swing trading this. But I want to show you how we were preparing for this stock on a 5-minute chart. So what we were doing right through here is obviously looking at that level of 26.28. You can see that there was a bit of a gap down. Price action actually opened lower right through here, rallied into the VWAP, and as it was rallying, excuse me, into the VWAP, you could see these pin bars right through here. They just had absolutely no teeth to the move, and they couldn't hold that upside move. So what we were looking for was actually a breakdown of that first 5-minute candle right through here after price action rallied and held the VWAP. So we had VWAP resistance right through here, and as soon as price action came right down through that level, boom, it stepped down, it rallied a little bit more, and then it was just a half an hour of a crater move right down through here, rallied into that 20-day period, and you can see that we had some nice resistance holding it, and then it sold off and got flat on the day. CLVS, I called this out yesterday in the trade alerts that went out to all of our members. Some guys missed it. Unfortunately, I'm really sorry that you did, but these are the way that you guys are going to make some good cash by trading some of these stocks. If you have any questions on CLVS, by all means, give me an email. I'm at info@JLuzTrading.com. If you just want to get involved with not only Ask a Trader, but our trade alerts, click the description box below. You can get involved. It's just $19 a month, $19.95 actually, to get involved, to get these alerts. We're putting them out twice a week, and we give a really deep list of stocks, and I only focus on where the key trigger levels are to get into the stocks. So CLVS, again, really nice intraday mover to the downside. Called it at a breakdown of 26.28. You can see how we were actually monitoring this on a 5-minute chart. And close the day down 19.8%. So it was a precipitous drop intraday. MU was another stock that I called out, and it also broke down today. I'm not going to be doing a review on that, but if you have any questions, I'm at info@JLuzTrading.com. Thank you so much for watching this trade review. And again, if you want to get involved, there's a link below in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn your notifications on. And if you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comments section below. We would really appreciate that. Thanks so much for watching.